Welcome to this video on the prevention and control of fish diseases, designed for TLE 6 Agriculture and Fishery Arts students. Fish diseases can affect the growth, health, and survival of fish in aquaculture. They may be caused by bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, poor water quality, improper feeding, and stressful environmental conditions. Preventing fish diseases is better than treating them after they occur. Fish farmers can keep fish healthy by maintaining clean and good quality water, providing proper nutrition, keeping the fish pond or tank clean, avoiding overcrowding, monitoring fish regularly, and practicing proper sanitation and biosecurity. In this lesson, we will learn the different ways to prevent and control fish diseases, and how these practices help maintain healthy fish and a productive aquaculture environment. Before we begin our lesson, let's first think about what we already know about fish diseases. Look at the questions on the screen and try to answer them. First, what are fish diseases? Next, can you name 2 causes of fish diseases? Think about the signs you might observe when a fish is sick. What are some signs that a fish might be ill? Now, let's keep going. How can you prevent fish diseases? If you notice that a fish is sick, what should you do? And finally, why is it important to keep fish healthy? Take a moment to think about your answers. Remember, healthy fish grow better, survive longer, and help make aquaculture successful. Let's discover the answers together as we learn about prevention and control of fish diseases. Class, let's take a closer look at these 2 fish ponds. On the left, we have a healthy pond. Notice that the water looks clean and clear, the surroundings are well maintained, and the fish have a good environment where they can grow. On the right, we have an unhealthy pond. The water looks dirty and cloudy, and there are signs that the pond may not be properly maintained. This kind of environment can make fish stressed or sick. Now think carefully about this question. Which pond would you choose for your fish, and why? Would you choose the healthy pond? Explain what makes it a better place for fish to live. Share your ideas with the class. Remember, healthy ponds help fish grow strong, while unhealthy ponds can make fish sick. As good fish farmers, we must always keep our ponds clean, provide good quality water, and maintain a healthy environment for our fish. So, which pond would you choose, and what would you do to keep your fish healthy? Now, let's learn about fish diseases. Fish diseases are illnesses that make fish sick and can affect their growth and survival. But why does this matter? First, healthy fish grow bigger and faster, which can lead to a better harvest. Second, sick fish can spread diseases to other fish quickly, especially when they live together in ponds or tanks. And third, when fish become very sick or die, fish farmers can lose income. That is why preventing fish diseases is very important in aquaculture. As future fish farmers, we need to learn how to keep our fish healthy by providing clean water, proper food, a clean environment, and good fish raising practices. Remember, healthy fish mean healthy harvests and happy fish farmers. Now, let's learn about the causes of fish diseases. There are several factors that can make fish sick. First, poor water quality. Dirty or polluted water can stress fish and make them more vulnerable to diseases. Fish need clean and safe water to survive. Second, parasites and bacteria. These are tiny organisms that can harm fish and cause different illnesses. Third, poor feeding or bad nutrition. Fish need the right amount of nutritious food to grow strong. Without proper nutrition, their bodies may become weak and less able to fight diseases. Fourth, stress from overcrowding or temperature changes. When too many fish are placed in a small space, they become stressed, and diseases can spread more easily. Sudden changes in water temperature can also make fish weak and unhealthy. So remember these 4 important causes: poor water quality, parasites and bacteria, poor nutrition, and stress from overcrowding or temperature changes. If we understand these causes, we can take the right steps to prevent and control fish diseases and keep our fish healthy. Now, let's learn how to recognize the signs of fish diseases. Knowing these warning signs is important because it allows fish farmers to act quickly and prevent the disease from spreading to other fish. First, watch how the fish swims. A sick fish may swim strangely, move slowly, or stay near the surface of the water. Second, check the fish's body. Look for unusual spots, sores, wounds, or changes in color. Third, observe its feeding behavior. A sick fish may lose its appetite or stop eating normally. Fourth, look for physical changes. The fish may have a swollen belly, damaged fins, or damaged scales. Remember these important warning signs: strange swimming, spots or sores, loss of appetite, and damaged or swollen body parts. If you notice these signs, do not ignore them. Report the problem, separate sick fish when appropriate, and check the water and pond conditions. The sooner we recognize the signs, the sooner we can take action to prevent and control fish diseases and protect healthy fish. Now, let's learn how to prevent fish diseases. The best way to protect fish from diseases is to provide them with a clean, safe, and healthy environment. First, keep the water clean by regularly changing it. Clean water helps fish stay healthy and reduces harmful substances that can cause disease. Second, feed fish the right food and give them enough quantity. Proper nutrition helps fish grow strong and improves their ability to fight diseases. Third, avoid overcrowding fish in ponds or tanks. Too many fish in a small space can cause stress and allow diseases to spread quickly. Fourth, check your fish often for signs of sickness. Observe their swimming, feeding behavior, body color, fins, and scales. Early detection allows you to take action before the disease spreads. Remember, clean water, proper feeding, enough space, and regular observation are important keys to preventing fish diseases. As responsible fish farmers, let's always practice these simple steps to keep our fish healthy, active, and growing well. Prevention is key. You can keep fish healthy by regularly changing the water, providing the right amount of quality food, avoiding overcrowding, and monitoring them frequently. Now that we know how to prevent fish diseases, let's learn how to control them when they occur. First, isolate sick fish. Separate fish that show signs of illness from healthy fish. This helps prevent the disease from spreading to the other fish. Second, use medicines or treatments recommended by fish health experts. Never use treatments carelessly. Follow the proper instructions to protect both the fish and the environment. Third, maintain good hygiene in ponds or tanks. Keep the area clean, remove waste properly, and use clean equipment to reduce the spread of harmful organisms. Fourth, ask for help from fish health professionals if the fish do not recover. Experts can help identify the possible cause of the disease and recommend the appropriate treatment. Remember, controlling fish diseases requires quick action, proper treatment, cleanliness, and expert guidance. By following these practices, we can protect healthy fish, reduce disease outbreaks, and maintain a productive and healthy aquaculture environment. Now, let's test your understanding. Take a moment to think about the correct answers to these multiple-choice questions regarding fish health and disease management. Read each question carefully and choose the letter of the correct answer. For question number 1, what is the best way to prevent fish diseases? Is it A, overfeeding fish, B, maintaining clean ponds and good water quality, C, crowding fish in one tank, or D, ignoring sick fish? Think carefully before choosing your answer. Now, for question number 2, why should fish not be overcrowded? Is it A, to save water, B, to increase disease risk, C, to provide enough space and reduce stress, or D, to make feeding difficult? Choose the answer that best explains why proper space is important for fish. Take your time, read each choice carefully, and remember what we learned about clean water, proper fish care, preventing disease, and reducing stress. Good luck, everyone. Let's see how much you have learned. Let's continue with our assessment. For question number 3, which practice helps maintain water quality? Is it A, throwing waste into the pond, B, regular cleaning and monitoring, C, overfeeding, or D, adding more fish? Think about what we learned about keeping the fish environment clean and healthy. Now, for question number 4, what may happen if fish are overfed? Is it A, cleaner water, B, better oxygen supply, C, water pollution and disease, or D, reduced waste? Choose the letter of the best answer. Remember, proper feeding and clean water are important for keeping fish healthy and preventing diseases. Take your time, check your answers carefully, and do your best. Let's move on to question number 5. What should be done when a fish becomes sick? Is it A, ignore it, B, remove healthy fish, C, isolate and observe the sick fish, or D, stop feeding all fish? Think carefully about what we learned about controlling fish diseases. Choose the letter of the best answer. Great job! You're doing well. Keep thinking like a responsible fish farmer. Now, let's go beyond the classroom with an extended learning activity. For this activity, you will have the opportunity to learn more about fish health and disease prevention in real life. Your task is to interview a fish farmer. You may visit or talk to a local fish farmer in your community. Ask them about how they take care of their fish and how they prevent diseases on their farm. You may ask questions such as, what do you do to keep your fish healthy? How do you maintain the cleanliness and quality of the water? How do you know when a fish is sick? And, what do you do when a fish becomes sick? Listen carefully to the farmer's answers and take notes. After the interview, share with the class what you learned. Remember, learning does not happen only inside the classroom. By observing and talking to people who work in aquaculture, we can understand how the lessons we learn are applied in real-life situations. Have fun learning, young fish farmers. Here is another extended learning activity that will help you learn more about fish health and disease prevention. This time, you will research fish diseases. Your task is to find out what common fish diseases exist in your area. You may use books, reliable websites, interviews with fish farmers, or information from your local agriculture or fisheries office. As you do your research, find out, what are the common fish diseases? What causes these diseases? What signs or symptoms can be observed in sick fish? And most importantly, how do fish farmers prevent and control these diseases? Write down the important information you discover and organize your findings clearly. After completing your research, be ready to share what you learned with your classmates. Remember, the more we understand about fish diseases, the better we can prevent them, control their spread, and protect the health of our fish. So, young researchers, start exploring and discover more about the world of aquaculture. Now let's move on to our next extended learning activity. This time, you will make a report about what you discovered from your interview and research activities. Prepare a short report or presentation about fish diseases, their causes, warning signs, and the ways fish farmers can prevent and control them. Organize your ideas clearly. You may include important facts, pictures, examples, or information you gathered from your research. Once your report is ready, share it with the class. When presenting, speak clearly and confidently. Explain what you discovered, and tell your classmates what you learned about keeping fish healthy. Remember, real-world learning helps you become a better fish farmer in the future. Be curious, keep learning, and share your knowledge with others. Before we end our lesson, let's review the important things we have learned about the prevention and control of fish diseases. First, remember that clean water keeps fish safe and strong. Maintaining good water quality is one of the most important ways to prevent diseases. Second, feed fish properly and avoid overcrowding. Give them nutritious food in the right amount, and provide enough space for them to grow comfortably. Third, watch for signs of sickness early. Pay attention to unusual swimming, changes in color, spots or sores, loss of appetite, and damaged fins or scales. Fourth, if a fish becomes sick, isolate it and seek expert help when needed. Acting quickly can help prevent the disease from spreading to healthy fish. Always remember, healthy fish mean a great harvest. You have learned how to recognize fish diseases, understand their causes, prevent them, and control their spread. Excellent work, everyone. Before we finish, do you have any questions? Write your question in the comment below. Thank you for joining this session. Keep exploring and applying what you've learned to support fish health. Goodbye.